Now the question before us is, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red? So here what is the given? Total number of marbles. Here 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. 13 plus 4, 17. So the total number of marbles are 17. Here, to find out the probability, we will use the formula probability of occurrence of the event is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible or total number of outcomes. So now we will first deal with the probability of getting the red marble. It will be equal to the number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes means the number of red marbles. It will be divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means total number of marbles. So the number of red marbles are 5. What is the total number? This is the answer of first part. The probability of getting a red marble is 5 over 17. So the next part of the question is the probability of getting a white marble. Number of white marbles oblique favorable outcomes is equal to 8. Probability of taking out a white marble is equal to number of white marbles, it is 8. It will be divided by the total number of marbles. Total number of marbles we have already calculated, 5 plus 8 plus 4, it is 17. So this is the second part of the question which we have done. So now we have to solve the third part, that the probability that the marble taken out will be not green. In other words, we can say that the probability we have to count pertains to that the marble taken out will be either red or either white, but it will not be green. So the probability of marble taken out will be not green. We have to calculate this. In other words, we have to calculate the probability of getting red marble plus the probability of getting white marble. We have to sum up the both, probability of getting red marble or probability of getting white marble. We have already calculated the probability of getting red marble is 5 over 17, and the probability of getting white marble is 8 over 17. So this will come out as 13 over 17. This is the answer, because we want that now we pick up the marble and it should not be green, because we have only 3 types of marbles: green, white and red. We want that the marble should not be green. In other words, it will be either white or either red. So we have to sum up the probability of red and white marble. We can also calculate this question in another way. How? Here we will calculate the probability of taking out green marble. How we will calculate? Here we will place on the upper side the number of green marbles, that is the number of favorable outcomes. It will be divided by the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes means the total number of marbles. This is 17. So we have calculated the probability of taking out green marble, but we have to calculate the probability of taking out marble will not be green. We know that the sum of two complementary events is equal to 1. In other words, we can say that probability of occurrence of the event and the probability of not occurrence of the event is equal to 1. Here we have to find out the probability of not occurrence of the event, or the probability of the marble not being green. So it will be 1 minus probability of the occurrence of the event. So what is the probability of occurrence of the event? It is 4 over 7. So when we will subtract 4 over 17 from 1, it will be 13 over 17. This is the answer before you. You can take out any of the methods. Either you can sum up the probability of red and white marbles to calculate the probability of not getting green, or you can calculate the probability of getting green, and from after that we can reduce it from subtract it from 1, and you will find the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.